Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, so the new week is ready to start. Let's update our view on the current market of the euro currency. As you can see, on Friday by the Ben Bernanke speech on the Jackson Hole, market still has accomplished the target that we have specified on Thursday, and about that, although I had some doubts about this target on Friday, mostly due to this fast return back after a significant move to the upside. As you can see, some external event, which is political or some fundamental speech, could drastically change the current situation, and market still has accomplished this upward target that we have specified around 126.40 area. That is 127 extension of that butterfly. That is also previous monthly and weekly period resistance 1. So currently market has tested some resistance. If you take a look at the weekly time frame, you will find that 126 area is the fib resistance and the upward border of downward channel on the weekly time frame. So if we surplus this resistance with this reversal pattern, we will get that we have the butterfly sell right at the weekly resistance area. That theoretically suggests some downward retracement. Also take a look that since September is ready to start, we have the new monthly pivot point, that is gold line. It's 124.50 area, and as you know, the pivot points usually trade with the 70% probability within the period. So with the 70% odds, we could say that this area, this level, should be traded within the September month. Another important moment is that currently euro and overall financial world is entering in new financial year since the summer has passed, and in fact the new financial year is ready to start. And overall situation on the financial markets is so that it becomes extremely sensitive for to political events, fundamental events, different speeches of representatives of such authorities as the European Central Bank, Federal Reserve. Also the statistics that will release in nearest future will be also extremely important for the financial markets. I have described this situation with more details in our weekly research in our forum, so visit our site ForexPeaceArmy.com and you could read this. This probably maybe will be interesting for you either. And one of the political events that and fundamental events that will happen in the nearest future is, of course, European Central Bank meetings. In fact, investors expect to hear from Draghi two moments. The first is holding interest rate at the current level, and second is the starting of buybacks of European debt. Especially this relates to Spain and Italy bonds. So if Mr. Draghi will give the hint on, and his speech will be radical and strong on these positions, and in fact it will be the call for action from European Central Bank, then euro could get the significant support and upward continuation could continue. If speech of the Draghi will weak and investors will not see some real action and real starting of the promises that he has made on the previous speeches, then probably some pullback on euro currency could happen. Technically, I suppose we could see it with the price action around this butterfly. If the butterfly is such kind of the pattern that if it will fail, butterflies usually fails miserably. It means that if market will move above the 1618 extension of this butterfly, that stands slightly higher than the weekly pivot resistance 1 for the coming week, then very often market, and as a rule market shows significantly deeper move to the upside, significant continuation in the case of the butterfly fail. If in turn butterfly will start to work and market will continue move to the downside, then probably we could expect the move in an area of confluence support on the daily time frame 124 area 124.10 and potential touching and trading around the monthly pivot points 124.50. So the first destination potential move to the downside will be an area between 124 124.50 area. Well, on the intraday charts I did not see much information that could add some significant add-on to make some significant add-on to the current analysis. So probably the hourly chart could be useful on Monday in terms of this triangle. So you can see market has shown this triangle completing the butterfly pattern that we have discussed, 127 extension. And if market will show the return back in this triangle, then probably this will tell that butterfly has started to work and market could continue some move to the downside. But if market will hold above this area, this will be the sign that upward move is more probable. Also take a look on the daily time frame. You can see that market should open somewhere very close to the weekly pivot point of the coming week. It's around 125.60 area. And if market will hold above the triangle pattern, it will simultaneously hold above the weekly pivot point. That will give us the short-term bullish sentiment on the market. So that's our current view. I suppose that the European Central Bank meeting will take first place in the coming events, and it will be extremely significant for further development on euro currency. So that's why be careful and don't miss the Mr. Draghi speech. And take a look at this butterfly. So from technical perspective, if, as we said, market will show some downward move below the weekly pivot point and returns back in the triangle pattern, it could leave market to some deeper retracement. It's 124, 124.50 area. So if you have the bearish view, you could place the stop somewhere above the 1618 extension of this butterfly and try to short with the target around 124, 124.50 area. If you have the bullish view on the market, then for you is probably to wait either for deeper pullback and search for the possibility to buy around the significant support area, or wait of the butterfly failure. If market will proceed higher and will move above the 1618 extension of this butterfly, that will be also the bullish sign, and that will be also the sign that probably it's possibly to search some possibility to enter on the long side of the market.